What is up, everyone? Today I'm taking you to the Upper West Side of Manhattan. Why the Upper West Side? I mean, you're asking yourself, Lorenzo, you never go to the Upper West Side. You never go above 14th Street. What up? Today we're going to the greatest cookie joint in all of NYC. Maybe United States, probably the world. Little place called Levain Bakery. It is awesome. These bad boys are worth the wait, but because I'm timing it right, I got a feeling we're not gonna be waiting too long today. So join me on this cookie adventure. Oh, and you might be asking yourself, well, why are we just going to Levain today? Lorenzo, why not go to 10 bakeries? Because I'm a New Yorker and I want to get right to the bam point. So we're gonna get to the point. Greatest cookie joint there is. NYC, Levain. Let's do this. Guys, pro tip, if you're going to Levain on weekends in the afternoon, the lines are insane. But if you go, say, weekday in the morning or early afternoon, you should be good to go. Check it out. There's no line right now. This is like heaven. Let's do this. Now what they should call Levain cookies are Levain scones, because these bad boys are freaking huge. They weigh like a pound, and my God, I'm gonna be working this off for the next 2 weeks. It will be worth it. Oh man, these things are ooey gooey, delicioso. Yep. Best cookie, NYC. Forget about it. Wow. Though that cookie was amazeballs, and guess what? Got one to go, cause I'm living that thug life. So yeah, guys, thanks for joining me today. Levain Bakery. Remember, try to go into off hours to save yourself a long wait. Bring a friend or two. Bring your good old appetite. And until next time, thank you to all my subscribers. And let's have another adventure.